Hello, this is going to be a review of the Max Air RV vent covers. These covers we've had for, I don't know, going on maybe over 2 years and thousands of miles. I'm going to give you a good review about them and talk a little bit about installing them. Here we go. Easy to install with no drilling into the roof. The covers are attached by securing them to the flange of the actual vent, not drilling through the roof. We have used our vent covers while camping many times while it was raining. We had them for a fairly strong storm in West Texas with no leakage. You can go on a hike and leave the RV ventilated without the fear of an unexpected shower causing problems inside. We really like ours. Okay, so there you have it. If I had to give this a grade, I would say definitely an A or A plus or 5 stars or whatever. Works great, does exactly what it's supposed to do, easy to install, no fuss, no muss. Hey, I highly recommend them.